All right, gentlemen, how you doing? Quick review: 9-year-old real world tire review here. I installed these back late 2012 or early 2013. Um, these have, I would say, at about 90,000 kilometers on them. Lots of tread left, as you can see. And these were always in the front. I use highway rib style tires on the front of this truck. And this is the Bridgestone VSteel RIB265. It's a commercial tire. Um, it's meant for the long haul and those who need to tow. Um, Even if you look, there's still a lot of tread left. It's the last summer I used them because if you look close, you could start to see there's some cracks. Actually, here we go. Here we go. You could see it's starting to crack all over the place. That's a fabrication date, 32 week of 2012. So anyway, so better safe than sorry with the, especially with the fuel I carry. I carry ethanol in drums. I don't want to have one of them. Take a chance they blow. So anyway, I just want to show you how these tire really last with the years. Mind you, this truck doesn't chew tires in the front, and they are used 7 months a year. In winter, I swap them for winter style tires. So that's it. That's all. And the funny part of it, I have a new set in the basement of these tires. Take care. Bye.